Hi everybody, in this video I will tell you how to install or change language in Windows 11. Press on Windows icon here and you will find here Gear Settings icon. Click on it. On the left side you will find Time and Language option. Click on this option. On the right side you can find Language and Region option. Click on this option here. And now you will find Add a Language button. Click on this button. Now you will find a pop-up window will be appear. On the search box, you will find your desired language. I am typing here Hindi language and select this language and click on next button. You will find here your desired language is installing. Click on install button. This installation package will take us some time. It might be some minutes. Now click on three dots and you will find in detail your package is installing. Now you can select your keyboard. Now you should go back by click language and region option. Click on three dot and to move up your language on top and change here your language. Now you can see here by apply this setting your system will be sign out must.